Hello and Merry Christmas. My name is Nash, and if you didn't see my last videos, I did a Grimold Place review, and my first video was just like to tell you who I am and what about what about I would do. So today I'm gonna be speed building, unboxing, and reviewing from Weasley's Wizard Wheezes from Lego Harry Potter. So, we're just going to do the first floor. So, wait for me to open the box real quick. Okay, here's the whole set. We have all of these decks. So, we're going to look for number one. We got an instruction booklet right here. And I think we got 10 bags. Yeah, that's probably it. Oh, by the way, this video will be split up into two parts. There's going to be part one for the first floor and part two for the second floor of Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. So, here we got this instruction booklet. It has 179 steps. So let's start. So here, we have back one. We get the alpha lady. So, we're going to build her. So here's the outpost lady. So now, first we take this, and then you have two of these going. And then you grab this and put it under. And then you put this here, and it would look like this. Actually, you take one of these black things and put it right here. And now it should look like this once you pick it up. Next, you take this and connect it. For step 5, we take this and this. And now it should look like this, but there's nothing behind here because it looks like this on the back. Next, we put this right here. Number 7, we take this flat gray piece and put it right here. And next, take this piece and put it right here. And then it would look like this. And then we should take this and put it in. And then this down, and then put it here. And then we take another one of these and then put this here and take one of these blue pieces and put this right behind it like this. And then we have this 3 piece that's blue and put it on top of this so it look like that. And then we take this and put it right next to it. So it looks like this as a piece, and then turn it around. Actually, turn it back, and then it should look like this. And then we take 2 of these pieces and then put them on each other like this. And put right there. And then, so if you have this, just put this right next to it, right there. Actually, no. Put it on top of that, and it should look like this. If you didn't push it down, you'd have a problem like that. Me too. So, next, have this looking piece, and then put these 2 on. And then place it right next to this. And then take this blue piece, and then this window piece, and just push it in there. And then put it on top of this red thing like this. So you have one more stud sticking out. And then you would take 2 of these ones again and put it on that one stud. And then you take 2 of these. If you didn't see it, they look like this. And you put them both on top of each other and push it down like this. And then you take this door looking piece, and then on your door, if you have a table like me, you set all of this stuff up, please, don't push down too hard because your whole Harry Potter world would probably break. But if you're copying me, I'm fine with that. If you were a viewer from one of my other videos, you would probably know me a little lower. So this takes a while to put in. And make sure they both snapped in. And then you have this door, and then flip it over like this. Oh, but close that for a second, and then take this piece, and then put it on here. And then turn it around and open the door, and then put this here. And then start with this, and then put these two. And then push it down. And then you have these two of these, with no dots, and then put it on these like this. And then snap it right in this spot right there. And then put this on. And then we'll be done with this bag soon, so I'm just showing you how to build this part in this video. In the second video, I'm going to show you how to build the whole thing, so I just told you that so you would know what we were going to do next video. Wait, I just had to turn one around because I got mine wrong. Then put this on top. But if you forgot, you put this piece on top. Like this. And this is what it looks on the outside. But this is not the end of bag one. You take this, and then look for your sticker sheet. So if you didn't know, you have two sticker sheets. On this one, you take, on this sticker sheet, you take sticker 30, and then place it in this spot. Then it should look like this, and then put it right there. And you have this wall is the new part that we just added. Now you get one of these and stick it right there. And then again get two of these and stack them. And then put it on top. And then take two of these and one of these. And then carefully put one of these on. And then take this and put it right next to that. And then put this right next to it, like this. That's what it should look like. Then we get back to right here. And then in this box we get lavender brown. And we're gonna finish this letter thing. And then we get to build lavender brown. And then you have her body, and then she'll look like this so far. And then take her pants like this, and then stick it on. And then take this letter piece and put her hand out and try to get it in there. And then like that. Next, you take this, and then you take this circle, and then pull out that same sticker sheet and find sticker 32. It was an outpost sticker. Right, and then we put it on this circle. There. And then put it on this part that we just had. And then we put it right here. Next, we take another one of these like we had in bag one and stick it right here. And then your whole thing so far looks like this. And then you take one of these, then one of these, then one of these, and then stack it right here. Then one of these and stack it on top of this one that we just put on. And then have another one of these. Wait, these pieces, if you didn't see the first one, and put it on right here. Then you take one of these, put it on, and then take this letter and put it on top. Oh, I like this part. I'm going to take 3 of these and then put it right 2 and 3, and then take 2 of these windows and then take 2 of these clear pieces and then put them in. And put 1 right there, and then put 1 right here, and then take 2 of these and then put it on top. It looks like this. And then take 1 of these and stack it on top of here like that. And take 1 of these and put it right next to it like that. And then we take this and then put it on top of that. And it looks like this. And then again we take 1 of these and then stack it right there. And then stack it this piece right here. And then take this and put this here. And then take in this and put it there. And take 2 of these and put it 2 of these and put it on a stack of each other like this and put it right there. And then done. And then again, we take 2 of these window pieces and we take those framing pieces, like, I mean by framing is like these pieces. And we put the windows in again. And then put this right next to that. And then put the other one and then we put this right there. Then we take 1 of these next, this red piece, and then put this here, and then take this piece and then put it like this, and then now you have this. Wait, and flip it over. I'm gonna flip it over is turn this over, and then you have this, and place it right there. And then take this piece and then put it next to it. And take this piece and put it right here. And then we take this and put this here. Okay, then have this. And step 4, we take 31 and put it on the big circle that we just put. I just like this thing. And then see this part that we put? And put it right now. Take 1 of these and put it. See how I did this? I'll put it. So see how this last row comes out? We want to do this. Leave the last row out like that. And then take 1 of these 3 flat pieces with no dots and put it behind this piece. So we put it right there. Okay, so now that we finished speed building for the video, if you noticed what I was wearing, today is Christmas, so Christmas morning, I mean, so I got these from my mom and dad, and I got this for an early Christmas present, but if you saw Cedric Diggory right here, I got that for Christmas, and I got the Gryffindor dorm for Christmas. So we have the Weasley's Wizard Wheezes to build in the next video. This is your boy Nash, and next video we'll be building Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. So the video will be over.